Today we are going to discuss about first what is meant by a pointer. Watch it guys. Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable of same type. It is the most important thing. First a pointer means what? Pointer also one of the variable. But generally variables are used for what purpose? Storing the values. Generally variables are used to store the values. But pointer is used to store the address only. Then why we have to store the address? First thing, value means we are using the values in programs. Suppose student marks. We are going to use the student marks for finding the total average like this. That's why we need the values. But why we have to store the address? Why we have to keep the address? Logic is very simple, guys. Everyone just take a look on this. I'm going to give the explanation for why we have to keep the address. Suppose, just assume it is Amirpet Road. Right now it is nothing but Naresh IT. Here Naresh IT building is there. And just assume Naresh IT board. Yes, it is a Naresh IT main office, guys. Suppose one of the friend join, means one of your friend want to join in Naresh IT. After 5 p.m. Another thing is very clear, guys. Here it is a Naresh IT building, and for example it is the Amirpet, and right now it is a Maitri Vanam. Everybody knows the Maitri Vanam now. And one of your friend is right now here. Suppose at Maitri Vanam metro station. Guys, and he want to join in Naresh IT, but he don't know how to reach the Naresh IT. Then generally what he is going to do? Generally he is going to open Google Maps. Generally he is going to open the Google Maps and he is going to enter Naresh IT. Automatically it is giving the Naresh IT building address or not? But he is not having smartphone. He is having a feature phone only. Now tell me, how he is able to find? Actually he is going to make a call or not? Because of he is your friend now. Now he is going to make a call and he is going to, you are going to guide or not? Another thing is, now he is going to observe one board like this. Everybody observe it what I am saying. Right now there is a board like this, and here it is written like this, Naresh IT, and here just like this. Now tell me, guys, he is going to make a call or he is going to follow the direction? Follow the, that means he is walking in this direction now? Yes. But the problem is, here Maitri Vanam to Naresh IT, only one building is there. So many buildings are there now. Then how he is able to identify it is the Naresh IT building? Because of this board or not, guys? Because of this board or not? One thing tell me, guys. Actually it is the what? Board. Then it is what? Board. It is also board. Both are boards. Am I right? Both are boards. but one body is used to identify the address of another board or not. Was it very clear? Okay, here both are boards, but one is giving the address of another board. No, now can I say it is called pointer? Can I say it is a pointer which gives the address of another board or not? Okay, due to this advantage is what, guys? Easy to find the location. Easy to find the location or not? That's why time saved or not? That's why here pointer stores what? Address of another variable of same type. But the rule is of same type only. That means integer pointer can store integer address, floating pointer can store floating address, characters. That's all. Next, another major definition is there. Another major definition. Pointer is a variable which holds the or stores the address of variable or memory. Okay, actually here better option. Address of memory location. Memory location means nothing but at runtime, which is called dynamic, guys. It is the most important feature of pointer. Listen carefully. Pointer is a variable. Again, pointer variable, no doubt. But this time, this variable is going to store what, guys? Address of the memory location. That is nothing but what? Byte, which is called dynamic. Why? Because it is holding the address of the variable at runtime only. And runtime is also called dynamic. And why we have to hold the byte address at runtime? Okay, listen. Everybody listen carefully. INT of 10 equal to 10, 20, 30. Tell me, guys, actually array size is what? 10. And what kind of array it is? Integer. Actually 10 integers take how many bytes? 20 bytes. Am I right? 10 integer take how many bytes? But here you have used how many cells? 3. 3 means 6 bytes only, no? That means remaining 14 bytes. Wasted or not? Because of array size is static. Okay, already we have discussed array main drawback is array size, and we can't enter array size at runtime, and it is fixed at compile time, and we can't change at runtime. Due to this, what happening? Memory wastage or not? Now, how to prevent this memory wastage? For that, they have introduced dynamic memory allocation. Now, what is called dynamic memory allocation? Okay, I think okay, everybody knows that. Daily we are using scanf function, no? And scanf purpose is what, guys? Input. Scanf purpose is input, and input conducted at design timer and timer. 1 minute, important. Okay, now the point is very clear. Here, actually, scanf purpose is what? Reading the value at runtime. That means we are entering the values at runtime or not. Suppose, guys, at runtime I need only 3 cells. Now can I enter 3 at runtime using scanf? Suppose my requirement 100 cells. Can I enter 100 at runtime? Okay, fine. Now 3 cells required. Actually 3 cells means 3 integer cells. How many bytes required? That means 3 cells means 6 bytes. That means 6 bytes memory we are allocating at runtime. Means we are allocating what? Bytes. We are allocating what? And every byte containing address or not? Every byte containing. Then who have to store that address? Again, pointer or not? To store that address, we need the. Now tell me, without pointer, can you handle this address? That means without pointer, there is no dynamic memory. Point understood? Without pointer, there is no dynamic memory. Got it what I am saying? Without pointer, There is no. That's why pointer is main purpose is what? Dynamic memory. And dynamic memory advantage is what? Memory wastage. Prevented or not. That's why they have developed which concept? Pointer concept. Everybody clear? That's why we have to store the byte address at runtime. And runtime is also called dynamic. Runtime is also called. That's why it is called dynamic memory allocation. Okay, guys. Everybody clear? And dynamic memory allocation advantage is what? It prevents the memory wastage. And next, it is an implicit pointer. It is again derived data type. Pointer is also called, it is the derived data type. How can you say pointer is a derived data type? How can you say pointer is a derived data type? Logic is very simple. Suppose I am declaring like this, INTP. Tell me right now, P is a what? Right now, P is a what I am asking? Yes, integer variable. No? Right now, P is a integer variable. Now I am adding star symbol. I am adding the star symbol. When star is added, can I say it is a pointer variable? Everybody clear? When star is there, can I say it is? But still it is integer pointer variable. Watch it carefully. When star is not there, integer variable. When star is added, integer pointer variable. That means still the pointer declared from integer type. And integer is a primitive data type. Integer is a, that means pointer defined from primitive data types. When it is defined from other data types, we are calling it is derived data type or not. Okay, that's why we are calling it is a derived data type. Everybody clear? Next, what are the advantages of pointers? Okay, now we are going to discuss advantages. Why the pointers are important? What are the advantages of pointers? Okay, first advantage, just before I said, dynamic memory allocation. The first main important thing. The first main important thing of pointer is DMA. DMA means dynamic memory allocation. And in dynamic memory allocation, we are allocating the memory at runtime or not. And runtime advantage is what? It prevents memory wastage. When memory wastage prevented means performance is high. You know that when memory prevent is waste, okay, memory wastage prevented means performance is because of, okay, suppose you are going to take 100 bytes memory previously, or on your head 100 kgs are there. This time only 10 kgs are there. In which situation your movement is faster? 10 or 100? Why? Because weight reduced. When weight reduced, performance is high or not? And dynamic memory preventing the wastage, no? That's why performance is high. And next, another most powerful thing. Okay, another most powerful thing is what? The another most powerful thing is, it is very, very important in managing, okay, or creating system software. They're very, very important. Everybody remember, what is a major advantage means, to design the system software, we need the pointers. Now, system software means what? OS, device drivers, and translators. Remember, system software means operating system, device driver, translator. Okay, in designing of operating systems, device drivers, and translators, they're using the pointers. That's why still C and C++, they're in market. Still they are in market. Why? Because means because of this main reason. Nowadays, okay, Java, .NET, Python are there now. They are not used for OS designing. Okay, they are using majorly which one? C and C++. Why? Because In Java, .NET, Python, there is no pointers. There is no pointers. We can't define a user-defined pointers. Why? Because later we are discussing that. Okay. Now here C++ comes with a pointer. Why? Because guys, with why they are important in operating system designing. Logic very simple. Every operating system comes with a IP address. Everybody knows, I think. Every operating system having a IP address. Okay, Internet Protocol address. For example, what is IP address? Suppose guys, you are sending a SMS or WhatsApp messages to one unknown girl. Example, randomly you are getting a number and she is a girl and she is right now in Karnataka and you are here and you are sending messages to that girl. Okay, and she make a police complaint. Now they are going to catch you or not? How it is possible? You are giving the address also. Catch me if you can. No, because of your mobile having a IP address. By using that IP address, they are going to track your GPS position. Automatically, you are able to find. Yes or no? That means mobile address is important now. Then to store the address. To store the address, you are using pointer or not. And in WhatsApp also, there is a live location or share location. In WhatsApp also, you are having share location. No? How it is working? Based on address concept. No? Yes or no? Now to make that address, we need the pointers. Okay. Not only that one, device drivers. How they are important in device drivers? Logic simple. Suppose you are having a pen drive. You are having a pen drive. You are going to connect the pen drive to your system. Automatically, the window opened or not? And it is showing the content of the pen drive. How it is possible? Because of in your system already USB drivers loaded. Pen drive having what? USB port. Pen drive you are connecting to a. How the USB ports are working? Because of every USB port having a particular address. Every USB port having a particular address, guys. And to handle this address, again we need the pointer. Again we need the point. And that's why they're very, very important in system software development. Okay. Next, another important thing, guys. They're very much used. Okay. Everybody listen. They're very much used in data structures to handle, okay, the linked list, stacks, queues. Remember this, very, very important to handle the data structures. For example, here, when you are attending data structure class, listen everybody what I am saying. When you are attending data structure class, your faculty is asking, okay, you have completed the pointer topic or not? Because of 100 out of 100 data structures is pointers. Okay, which is very, very complicated topic. Which is very, very complicated topic. And the data structures maintained only with a pointer. There you have to create the linked list and you have to control the stacks and queues and total data structure going on. Pointer concept. Without pointer, there is no data structure concept. That's why they are very, very important to handle the data structures. Okay. Next, guys, one of the most important feature of pointer, it allows to access local variables from other functions. That is sharing data between functions, which is called call by value or call by reference. One of the important feature of pointer is this one. Okay, actually pointer, by using a pointer, we can access a local variable from other functions also. Got it? By using a pointer, we can access what, guys? We can access the what? Local variable from other function. Now meaning is what? Okay, now the meaning is what? Very simple, guys. First, what is called a local variable? The variable that is declared inside a function. The variable which is declared inside a function is called local variable. And we are having a major rule. What is that means? We can't access a local variable from other functions. Okay. To access the variable from other function, we have to create a global variable. Everybody knows local and global variable. Difference is that local variable availability within function, global variable all over the functions are not. But by using a pointer, you can make a local variable available to other function also. That means what? You are declaring one variable in one function, but same variable using from another function. That means both the functions are using same variable. No? Means can I say sharing? Both functions are sharing the same data or not? Which is called call by no, by mistake I have entered value. Call by address. Call by value is different concept. Okay, and this concept name is called call by address, which is also called call by reference. But actually they are not same. Actually they are not same. But so many people they are saying call by address or call by reference. Remember, in C, and C++, you are having what? Call by address. Call by address. In C++, call by reference. In Java, Python, .NET also, call by reference is there. Understood? There is a small difference between call by address and call by reference because of actually the call by reference technology working based on reference variables or reference data type. But in C language, we have discussed any reference variables or reference data type. First time it is introduced in C++. Remember, C supports two techniques. C supports how many techniques? Two techniques. One is call by value. Another one call by address. C supports only two techniques. Call by value, call by address. C++, three techniques are there. Call by value, call by address, call by reference. Now tell me, three techniques are there means call by address, call by reference same. Tell me. No. And Java, .NET, Python, they support call by reference. Call by and call by address is not there. Why? Because means there is no pointer now. In Java, there is no pointer. Then how the call by address is working? Simple thing. Logic very simple. But so many people are saying call by address is nothing but call by reference. But actually they are different. But internally working style is same. Internally working style same, but small difference is there. Okay. Now, aside to access a local variable from other functions, we have to use pointer, which is called call by address or reference technology. Next, guys, another important thing to handle string or array or structure. We have not discussed about structure concept. After the functions, we are discussing structure. Okay, to handle the strings, array, structure, we need what? Pointer concept. Already we have discussed, of course. Array is implicit pointer. String also. We have discussed so many examples. That means arrays and strings working based on pointer mechanism. Yes or no? That's why to handle the arrays and strings, we need what? Pointer again. Next, another important thing, the improves the, okay, to handle data files, we need pointers. Now you are getting it out. What is called data file? Okay, logic very simple. Right now, we are having some information. Now I'm going to save this one, guys. Suppose I'm going to save this. Right now, where it is going to save? Suppose in 11 a.m. batch. Folder name is what? Now I'm going to store with 19.2. I'm going to store with which name? 19.2 name. Okay, got it now. I'm saving with 19.2. Clear? 19 is what, guys? Date. 2 is the what? Month number. Now easy to remember, no? Okay, right. Tell me, guys, right now this file where it is stored? 11 and 11 a.m. where it is? On desktop, na? On desktop, where it is? This, but basically they are going to store in hard disk or not? Okay, at least tell me in your computer where your file stored. Hard disk, only in hard disk. RAM is a temporary memory. Hard disk is the permanent memory. Whatever the file you are creating, by default they are going to store in hard disk. Hard disk. Now tell me your hard disk size is what? In your system, the hard disk size is what? 1 TB. 1 TB. TB mean tera. Sorry? Tera. Bytes are not. And every byte containing address. Na? That means your file also stored at a address or not. Your file is also stored at a. And to keep this address, again we need the pointer or not. Point understood everyone? That's why to handle the file also, we need the what? Pointer. And without pointer, can you handle the file? No. That's why in operating system creation, pointers are very, very, because of file management also, one of the part of operating system. Operating system task is file management. That's why in operating system designing, they're using the pointers. Got it? And next, now another important thing, speed is increased. They makes the program performance increment. Now, how the speed is increased? Now you are getting a doubt. Sir, already one time you said it prevents memory wastage. Performance is. Actually, performance is high means what? Speed increase. Performance is high means speed increase. And now again you are saying speed is increased. Both are same now. But here, why the speed is increased? Because of memory wastage prevented. Because of memory wastage prevented. But here, why the speed is increased? Because of pointer working directly on variable. Pointer working directly on variable or variable address. Variable address. Okay, I'm giving one small example also. Everybody take a look on this. I'm giving small example for this. Suppose guys, you are going to send a letter. Just assume it is a letter. Not mail, okay na? It is a letter envelope. Okay, when this symbol is there, everybody thinking message, email, like this, not mail. It is a letter. Okay, guys? And now you are going to write the details like this. For example, Kishore, Amirpet, Hyderabad. Okay, now you are going to put the message like this. Kishore, Amirpet, Hyderabad, guys. You are going to write like this. Now, some person is going to write the details like this. And he is going to write the information like this. Door number 1-2-3 something Amirpet, Hyderabad. That's all. Now tell me guys, which letter is going to reach Kishore? Which letter reached the Kishore? First one or second one? Second one. Come on. But in second one, there is no Kishore now. In second one, Kishore is there or not there? Not there. But in first one, Kishore is there now. But you are saying second one now. Why? Because? Very good. Because of, in first example, what is happening? The postman entering into Amirpet, he knocks every door and he is asking, you are Kishore, you are Kishore, you are Kishore, you are Kishore. Okay. And he watched the cover. It is looking good. And he said, yes, yes, I am Kishore. And the postman is going to deliver. But he is the real Kishore. And he is taking more time now. And in second example, he goes to every door or directly to that door number. And he is going to drop that. He is not even calling them. Just going to drop or not. That means letter is given to Kishora Dora. Huh? That means door is going to read it. No. Iske andar mai hu na. Door ke andar mai hu na. When the door is opened, letter is visible or not? And now tell me, he is going to call everyone or directly door number? Now tell me, Kishore important or Kishore address? Logic, why? Because Logic very simple. In entire Hyderabad, how many Kishores are there? So many. But in entire Hyderabad, with that door number, only one house is there. Only one or not. And that's why it is unique or not. And that's why the time, postman time is saved or not. And now tell me, variable important or variable address important? Huh? And pointer working on address na? That's why your time is saved or not, guys. That's why your time is. Got it? And now these are the advantages of pointers. Okay, we have discussed how many advantages and what is the disadvantage. Now what is the disadvantage means? They are not secure and making complex. Okay, actually the major disadvantage is pointers not secured and making complex. Why the pointer is not secured? Okay, why the pointer is not secured? Because of this feature, guys. Okay, because of this feature, pointer is not secured. By using a pointer, we can access a variable from anywhere now. See that pointer allows to share the data between functions now. Means different functions are using same variable. Different functions are using same variable or not. Point understood? Different functions are using same variable. That's why what is happening? Okay, we can access from anywhere. That means your local data secured or not secured. Your local data secured or not secured. Okay, actually they have introduced Java, .NET, Python. Anybody knows Java, Python or .NET? When you are attending Java, .NET, Python, okay, they're explaining the features. And one of the important feature is secured application. Secured. Why? Because in Java, Python, there is no pointer now. There is no. It is the reason. And how they are making complex. How they are making complex also. Okay, listen. Actually, Java, .NET, Python, they comes with which technology? OOPS technology. Java, Python working on OOPS, object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, what is happening means only the local function can access the local data. Only the local function can access the local data, which is called data hiding concept. Most important feature of OOPS technology, data hiding. Actually, the major motivating factor of OOPS is data hiding. Meaning very clear. Data hiding. Hiding means chupana. Bahar wale ko nahi disna. Yes or no? Yes or no? Means outers not allowed to access. Here outer means what? Logic simple. Suppose it is my mobile phone. Am I right? It is my mobile phone and who can access this mobile? Me and my family. Who can access this mobile phone? Me and my family members. Yes or no? And now there is a public phone. 2 rupee coin or 1 rupee coin is there now. And there is a public coin box. And who can access? The person who is having 1 rupee or 2 rupee. Anybody can. Yes or no? Then my mobile phone, private or public? Private. Only me and my family members. That means this mobile data secured or not secured? But public phone? Now, in our example, the mobile is nothing but OOPS feature, class. The mobile is nothing but class. In C++, Java, .NET, they have introduced OOPS, I said, no? In OOPS, the main motivating factor, class. From class, they are declaring the objects. From class, they are declaring the, and in class, the main mechanism is data hiding. Data. And tell me, guys, who can access this mobile? Me and my family members. Me and here the meaning is this mobile is the data. Me and my family members are functions. Me and my family members. And here where it is? In my house, no mobile. This mobile where it is? In my house, the house is nothing but class. The house is nothing but class, and data is data is phone, and functions are my family members. My and only my family members can directly access. That means this mobile is secured or not secured. But pointer allows to access this data. Pointer allows to access from outside now. That means this mobile secured or not secured. That's why it is deleted from Java and Python. That's why it is deleted from, because of it is against the data hiding. It is against the data hiding or not. It is the main problem. That's why pointer is not secure, and why it is making program complex. Another important thing. Why pointer making our program complex? Okay, logic simple. Everybody observe it, guys. Everyone take a look on this. Easy to say. int a equal to 10. Right now a value is what? 10. Print a means 10. Later a value 20. A value 30. A value 40. Like that, you are going to change the a value 100 times. Assume. Just example. Right now, how many variables are there? Only one. Only. But you are going to change the a value how many times? 100 times now? Okay. Suppose now you are able to remember the last value is what? Because of right now you have changed the value. Okay. Got it what I am saying? But after 1 month, you are able to remember a is storing which value? Tell me. And again you have to check the program now. Current a value is what? Okay. Leave this example. Leave this example. For example, very simple. You are having FB now. You are having Facebook now. And to open the Facebook, we need a password. Say yes or no. To open any Facebook, we have to go for the password or not. For example, for last 1 year, you are using the same password. What I am saying, understood? For last 1 year, you are using the same to same password. Okay. For example, for last 1 week, you are not using that. Means you are not opening the Facebook. After 1 week, you are going to open. Now tell me, you are able to remember the password? You are going to forget the password. I need a clarity. You are forgetting that, you are remembering that. Remembering, why? Because for last 1 year, you are using the same. That's why in 1 week, you are able to forget. You are able to forget means you are a Gajini. Yes or no? That's why it is not happening now. Okay. And now watch it. In last 1 year, okay, or in last 1 month, you have changed the password 10 times. Now listen, same Facebook, but in last 1 month, last month, you have changed the password how many times? 10 times. 10 times. And now you are not using the Facebook. After 1 week, you are able to remember? You have changed how many times? 10 times. After 1 week, you are able to remember. Your chances are there of forgetting. Why? Because frequently you have changed the password now. When you are changing the password frequently, automatically our brain is going to get confused or not. Say yes or no, guys. Yes, there is no doubt at all. You are going to forget it or not. It is the problem. And here also, what happens? See that. Right now, it is a pointer. Watch it carefully. It is a pointer. How to identify pointer? Now equal to address of A. Ampersand, everybody knows. Ampersand meaning is what? Now which address you have stored? A address or not? Yes. Right now you have stored the A address. Later see that P equal to address of and P equal to address of. Now tell me. Suppose you are in a project work. Suppose just assume you are in a project work and you are using one pointer and frequently you are changing the value or address. See that? Pointer address changed or not? And now tell me, after 1 week, you are able to remember the last pointer value. And again, you have to check the entire project or not. That means it is giving complex confusion. It is giving confusion or not. When you are getting confusion means complexities. Yes or no? Because of pointer address can be changed at any time. We can change the storing address at any time. That's why it is giving confusion to the programmer. Then in C++, to avoid this problem, they have introduced reference. I said just before, in C++, 3 techniques are there. Call by address, call by value, call by reference newly added. It is the reason why they have introduced call by reference, because of it is a constant pointer. You know that constant means fixed. Constant mean fixed, guys. Constant meaning is fixed. That's why we can't change address at every time. Only. And now one time means easy to remember. That's all. It is a call by reference working technology. That's why pointers are making our program complex or not. Is it clear, guys? What is the disadvantage of pointer? Pointer not secured and making programmer confusion or complex. Okay. Next, what is the syntax of a pointer? It is the syntax data type, later star, and here variable. Syntax same. Data type, star, variable. Between the difference between normal variable and pointer, star only. If star is deleted, what it is? Normal variable. When star is not there, can I say it is a normal variable? Yes or no? Next, here star indicates it is a pointer variable. Otherwise, do one thing. Example, int star p. Actually, it is called pointer declaration. Got it? Pointer variable declaration only. It is pointer variable and here star indicates p is a pointer variable. Is it clear? But here one important thing. Everybody listen. Very, very important. Due to star, you are going to say what it is. Pointer variable, no? Only at declaration time only. Only at the time of declaration, it is called pointer variable. Later the name is changed. What is the name? Changed for pointer. See that? Everybody observe it, guys. Now I want to explain how the pointer is working. How the pointer is working. For example, guys, int a equal to 100. Can I say normal variable declaration? Variable declaration. Okay. And pointer stores what? Address. Then can I say p equal to address of a? Meaning very clear. P is a what type of variable? P is a what type of variable? Pointer variable. And a is a what? Variable. But both are integers. See that? int star p, int a. Means both are same type or different type. And I have given definition what? See that? Pointer can store address of same type now. That means it is matching or not? Yes. Now P is storing address of A. Okay, guys. Now my requirement is what? I want to print the A value. Tell me A value. A value. 100 na? I want to print the A value, but I am not touching the A. Logic, see that. I want to print A. I want to print the A, but I am not going to touch the A. But I need the 100. Okay. Then how? Then how to print the value? Okay. Listen. Everybody listen carefully. How to access the pointer? To access the pointer. To access the pointer, we have to use star p. That's all, guys. What we have to use? And now here star means what? Everybody listen. Very, very important. Here star means what? Okay. Not pointer variable. Then what it is? Okay. Here star is called what? First one, indirection operator. Okay. And now you are getting a confusion. Sir, just before you said star indicates P is A. But here very clearly I say it is declaration. In declaration time, star indicates pointer variable. Remember everybody. In declaration time, star indicates it is A. But here it is declaration. No. Here it is declaration. No. Okay, 1 minute. See this. To access the pointer. Okay. To print, very clearly I'm going to say, to print a value through P, we have to use, okay, watch it guys, printf %d, comma, star P. That's all. It is a statement, guys. Tell me anyone, in this line, there is any A variable? In this example, there is any A? But your answer is 100. Your answer is 100, guys. But how? There is no A, but answer is 100. But how? Okay, now listen. Carefully listen. Here star is called what, guys? Indirection operator, which is also called dereferencing operator. Okay, which is also called redirection operator, or which is also called value at that address, or which is also called value of 5 different names are there, and including this one 6 names actually. Am I right? But here it is only declaration time now. Only in declaration time star indicates what? Pointer variable. But later you have to call like this: indirection operator, or dereferencing operator, or redirection operator, or value at that address, or value of. Why they are called with different names? What it mean? Why it is called indirection operator? Okay, watch it. 1 minute. Everybody take a look on this. Try to understood this example. Then only you can understood remaining pointer. Everybody, once again I am saying, when you are able to understand this example, then only remaining pointer chapter understood. Otherwise, you are getting headache, no doubt. Otherwise, you are getting headache. Okay, that's why I am giving very clearly the program. Try to observe. Okay, understand. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Okay, and now take a look on this, how this example working. Everybody take a look on practical. I want to prove this example. Okay, guys, common header files. Hash include conio.h. Later, I am declaring a normal variable. int a value 100 star p. And here directly you can enter this, no problem. Okay, directly in P you are storing a address now. Right. Now watch it. Here I want to print first a value. A value equal to percentage d comma a. You know that right now a value is what? 100. And a is what type? Integer. And integer represented with percentage d. That's why we are using a value equal to percentage d. No doubt answer is. Next watch it. Printf. This time I am printing the address. Why? Because pointer working on address now. That's why I want to know what is the address first. Now see this percentage u. Why? Because address always positive integer, and positive integers are called unsigned integer. That's a percentage u. Getting now? Okay, percentage u. Now ampersand a. Actually ampersand meaning, and that means first one is printing a value 100. Later second one printing address of a. Later see that guys, p value percentage u slash n p. Actually, p value nothing but a address. How can you say p equal to ampersand a na? P equal to ampersand a. Ampersand a means address of a which is stored in p. That means can I say a address p value both are same? Can I say a address and p value both are? Because of p storing a address now. And that's why a address p value both are same. And finally see that printf, what I want to print? A value through p, guys. Okay, a value through p. Then how to print? Okay, a value through p. Just watch it, guys. Percentage d comma star p. That's all. That's all. Now everyone watch it, guys. Value printed or not. Okay, take a look on this. Say yes or no. Yes, sir. Last statement is giving what? Last statement is giving what? 100 na? 100 kya hai? Value of A or not? Value of A. Very clear? But how? Internally, how this example working? Internally, how this example working? Suppose see that I am deleting this line. Only percentage D. Now tell me, there is any A in this line? I have touched any A in this line? But answer see that again. It is a value. Means without touching the A, we are getting the A value now. Using pointer or not? Yes. But how it is working internally? Okay. You have to know. See that. To understand this concept, first how the memory allocated, you have to know. Watch it, guys. It is our system memory. Nothing but stack. Nothing but stack, guys. Okay. And first variable A na? It is a variable A. And it is a pointer P. Now we are having how many variables? Two variables. One is the A variable, one is the P variable. Okay. One is the A variable, one is the P. And now A variable 65,500 and 65,000 for example 502 because of integer now. And each integer take how many bytes? 2 bytes. That's why A 2 bytes, P 2 bytes. Okay. And next A value, tell me guys. 100. Very good. A value 100. And can I say P value 65,500? Why? Because P storing A address na. Up to this there is a clear clarity. In our example, P variable storing A address. And right now A address is what? 65,000. And the same stored in P or not? Okay. And now see this here. A. Okay. Here A. What it is, guys? Variable name now. And A value now. And it is the address. Pointer variable now. And now listen carefully. Now it is nothing but right now. Right now P value. Right now it is. But actually it is the address or not? Yes. And it is the. Up to this there is a clear clarity. Up to this there is a clear clarity. And now it is the program I am using. Everybody take a look on this. I am going to give the example. Watch it carefully. It is a program, guys. Printf. Okay, print percentage D, comma, star. That's all, guys. It is a statement I have used. Only this statement is there. But answer is what? 100 or not? Yes, answer is 100. But how? Okay, your program is giving answer 100. How this example works? Okay, listen everybody carefully what I am saying. I said now, when you are able to understand this one, remaining pointer chapter or remaining chapters, you can understand. Otherwise, you are getting headache, no doubt. That's why everyone observe it carefully. When this program is working, what happened internally? First, P is working. Okay, first P is working, guys. Tell me, guys, P, print P means? Print P, meaning क्या है? P value. Print A means what, guys? A value 100 printed. Then print B means P value. In my example, P value nothing but 65,500 now. Yes or no? Okay. Now this star is added. This star is added, guys. Okay. 1 minute, watch it carefully. First P working. P means 65,500. Later star is added. Now the meaning becomes star 65,500 ना. एक बार जतन से देखो. Star meaning what I said? Star meaning what I said? That means now the meaning is value at 65,500. एक बार देखो correct or not. Value at 65,000. Answer is 100 or not, guys? Say yes or no. Okay, that's why you are getting the answer. 100 now. One small doubt I am having. You are touching the A. Means we are touching the A indirectly with the help of P. Can I say like that? We are touching the A. We are touching the A. No doubt. We are touching. Otherwise, how the 100 is coming? Yes or no? Means we are touching the A, but directly na, indirectly na. I need a clarity. Directly na, indirectly na. That's why indirection operator. Now there is a clarity. Now there is a clarity. That's why we are calling it is indirection operator, which allows to touch the variable indirectly. That's why this operator name is indirection. I think very clear. Okay, that's all. It is a working style of star. And what it is, guys? Dereferencing. Dereferencing. Now, dereferencing means what? Dereferencing means what? Very simple. One small example. Very simple concept. For example, we are going to movie theaters now. Generally, we are going to movies now. Okay. And now there is an interval or not? Yes. Generally, in interval, generally I'm saying, generally you are going to washroom now. Okay. No? Okay. बचपन से अभी तक no? Right, very good. Okay. Now see this here. Okay. Here there is a concept like this. What it is? Washroom. They are going to hang a board like this. And here they are going to mention like this. Am I right, guys? Now see this, guys. Here. Okay, guys. Now tell me, guys. This meaning is what? This one I'm asking about. Only about this one I'm asking. Sorry? It is the washroom or direction to washroom? Some members are having doubt. वहां करेगा क्या? बोर्ड पे, बोर्ड के ऊपर, हाँ? वो वॉशरूम नहीं जी, वॉशरूम का direction or not? Yes or no? That means it is denoting itself or washroom direction. Means D referencing others. It is referencing itself or others. Others are not. That's why it is called dereferencing operator. Okay, it is right. Okay, Sai Kumar, convincing, right? Okay, that's why it is also called what, guys? D, because of it is referencing others or not, or it is direct. It is giving the direction of others. It is giving the direction of others or not. That's why we are calling redirection operator. Is it clear? Or automatically it is also called. Value of pointer is what? 65,000. But it is address of A and A containing. That's it. Now the 5 meanings, everybody clear? Everyone? Right. It is the dereferencing operator working style. Online students. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट मूवी में है क्या? वॉशरूम में, मूवी में वॉशरूम में, इसीलिए आंसर नहीं दे रहा है. गिव मी आंसर. एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? अप टू दिस एवरीबॉडी क्लियर हाउ द पॉइंटर इज वर्किंग? ओके, it is the importance of star symbol. Okay, finally can I conclude like this? Tell me A value is what? Come on guys. A value is what, guys? 100 or not? Very good. And star P means what, guys? Star P means what, guys? 100 na? Star P also 100 or not? Tell me, based on this, A and star P both same. A and star P both are same or not? And that means when you are calling the star P, A is working. When you are calling the star P, A is working now. One small thing, guys. For example, just assume it is your house. Very simple concept. Everybody observe it. Everybody take a look on this. Just assume it is your house. Already discussed and easy to understood. Now it is what, guys? Okay, already we have discussed what it is. He want to say, okay, right. Now tell me it is what, guys? Fan or not? Yes. And here there is a switchboard. And here there is a switch now. Yes. For example, just assume it is a fan switch. Now tell me, guys, here fan switch को on किया, क्या होगा? Fan on and off किया. Now tell me, you are touching the fan? You are touching the fan or not? But fan operated? Fan operated or not? With the help of? Then can I say switch is the pointer? Can I say switch is the? And any change conducted in switch affecting on fan, any change occurred in switch affecting on fan or not? That's why the switch is pointing the fan or not, guys. In our example, A is nothing but the fan and P is nothing but the pointer or not, means switch or not. Okay, next Now I want to make it more flexible. I'm saying pointer makes not secure. No? Yes or no? We can access A data using pointer directly now. Watch it, everybody. Okay, everybody just watch it. A value, what guys? Through P equal to percentage D. Later 1 minute, see this. Right now A value is what? 100 now. Next line, watch it. What I am doing. Star P equal to 200. I am giving value to P na A na. P. एक बार जतन से देखो. A equal percentage D. Star P equal to percentage D, comma A comma star P. एक बार जतन से देखो प्रोग्राम को. Answer, both are giving 200. I need a clarity. Say yes or no. Actually, which value have changed? P value. Actually, have changed the P value, but effect is on. That means we are accessing A value from outside. We have accessed the A value from. We have touched the A. We have touched the A. No, we are using P, but the effect is on. A or not, guys. And that means pointer allows to access local variable from others. Pointer allows to access the local variable from other place. Practical proof. Okay. And now, Mr. Pavan Salve. Now there is a clarity. You are asking now. Practically show me that. Okay. How it is not secured. It is the practical example. Your A is not secured because of P is going to change the A value. That's all. Sorry. Internally. अभी तक मैं क्या बोल दिया? ये पिक्चर क्या है? ये क्या है बोलो? हाँ, इसका आंसर क्या है बोलो? ये क्या है? इसका मीनिंग क्या है बोलो? पिक्चर दिखा. ओके, आपको व्यू में है ना? व्यू विजिबल और नॉट विजिबल? ये पिक्चर क्या बोल रहा है बोलो? उसका मीनिंग क्या है जी? स्टार पी का बोलो जी. स्टार पी का मीनिंग क्या है? It is na. It is the meaning na. Value at 65,500. Now you are giving the program like this. Star P equal to 200 na. Pi, which one is working? P. Now means 65,500. इसके बाद कौन काम कर रहा है? स्टार. स्टार का मीनिंग क्या है? Value at 65,500 equal to 200 ना. ये एड्रेस पे क्या है? 100 equal to हो गया. ये वैल्यू चेंज हो गया. Clear? That's why I given very clear picture with matter also na. At least understood everyone? How it is working, everyone? It is how the pointer is working. Internally, what is happening when this program is working. Okay, next watch it guys. This time A equal to 300. I have changed which value? A value. Now watch it. Both are giving same or not. Again. See that? Again 300. Now based on this, can I confirm A and star P both are same or not? A and star P both are. That's all. It is how the pointer internally working. Everybody clear? That's all. That's why they are called indirection. Because of indirectly it is acting the top variable value. That's all. Yes, you are having any questions? You are having any questions, online students and offline student both? You are having any questions up to this concept? No? Okay, right. Now I am giving first notes for this. Up to this, I am adding the fair notes. Later, we are going for, okay, programming on this. Everything is covered, okay? Including picture also, I have given. Okay, guys. Now see this. I have explained how it is working, everything. Okay. Print of percentage is star p. Finally, it is giving what? Here star p means what? First value of p. That is value at that address. That is nothing but what? See this. Value of p or value at that address. That is nothing but 60. But 65,000 is nothing but what? Yes. Okay. And now that is value at 65,500. That is nothing but 100. Now it is more comfort now. Everybody clear, guys? That's all. It is a working style. Now it is a practical example. Finding a variable value and address using a. Can I say it is an example? How to find the variable value address? It is a practical example or not? Yes. And remember here, in my system, the address 65,500. But don't expect the same address in your system because of memory going to change, system to system, memory allocation different. Okay, I think everyone clear now? Right. Only P equal to 200. Okay, actually P value is what? 65,500. That is going to change with 200. But see that it is giving, okay, like this. Warning is there. And read the warning also. Non-portable pointer assignment. Non-portable pointer assignment. Where it is giving that? In this position. Because of 200 is what? Value. But pointer stores what? Address. Now watch it. What happened? Watch it. Later, it is not going to store a value. Why? Because 200. Unknown address. Na? 1 minute, watch it. Up to this, no problem. Up to this, no problem. Here also, no problem. But here, see that? Value. Why? Because of 200 unknown address. Na? That's all. It is what is happening directly when you are giving like this. Okay, guys. And one more thing. Tomorrow you are having any other classes? Sunday. Class is there? At which time? Oh, 8:30 to 12:30. Which class? Hare Krishna sir. Oh. Right. Okay, then no class tomorrow. Okay, actually I want to take the class tomorrow. But Hare Krishna sir class is there, you are saying now? Evening I can't do. Okay? Right, no problem. Watch it, guys. Now I'm going for this another example. Up to this, everybody clear now? Very good. And it is output of this program. Right, guys. Next, I want to do the examples on this. Based on this, A and star B both are right. First example. Okay. Now the example is this one, guys. Small example I want to give. Finding, everybody observe it. Finding, example is this. Finding positive number, negative number, zero na, using pointer. It is a HR question. The HR asked, find the given number is positive or negative or zero using what? Then how to find out positive or negative or zero? Using pointer. First watch it. I want to make it simplified. Everybody take a look on this. Generally, it is your program. INT N. N means number as usual. Now N is a normal variable now. And star P. Star P means pointer variable. Later, in next line, watch it. P equal to address of N. Now N address is given to pointer P or not? Yes. Now N address is given to pointer P. Okay. Later watch it, guys. Enter N value. Now I am reading the N value directly. Now scanf percentage D ampersand N. Okay. Finally, it is a regular program. Generally, we are writing the program like this. If N greater than 0, it is a positive number. Everybody knows. If the number is bigger than 0 numbers are called positive. Else if N less than 0, guaranteed it is negative number. Else it is a 0 or not, guys. Meaning very clear now. If the N value bigger than 0, positive numbers. Less than 0, negative number. Otherwise guaranteed 0 now. But here it is normal variable usage of pointer usage of. Come on. Now, but the HR question is pointer na? Yes. Now, can I put star P? It's over. Program finish. N and P, star P both are same. In previous example, A and star P both are. Now N and star P. Watch it, guys. Enter N value 5. Or for what it may be. 2 times it have to print positive, positive. One is normal variable value. One is the pointer variable. See that? Right answer? Yes? No doubt at all. Okay. Now it is working. Next, watch it. This time, this time I'm giving one more -4 or -5. Right answer now? And finally 0. Answer 0 now. Is it clear, guys? Now it is how to find out positive number, negative number, 0 na, by using of what? Yes, very good. Okay. Now say this, guys. This time I'm giving one more example. Finding max in 2 numbers. In 2 numbers using the HR question is this. The HR asked, find the max number in 2 numbers using which technique? Pointer technique, guys. Okay. Now watch it. We need this time 2 variables and 2 pointers now. A comma, B comma, star P comma, star Q. Because of we have to find the max in 2. That's why first you have to enter 2 numbers. Next, P equal to address of A and Q equal to address of B. Meaning very clear now. A address stored by P, B address stored by Q. Next, enter A comma B values. Now same to same. Percentage D, ampersand A comma. Up to this everyone clear? Up to this everyone clear now? We are reading the A value and B value. Later, Can I put like this, guys? Everybody take a look on this. I want to make it simplified. What it is? Puts of A greater than B. A greater than B. Question mark A big. Yes, A bigger than B. Guaranteed A bigger. Yes or no? Next, colon. Colon means what? False. Then B greater than A. Question mark. Okay, is add now. Okay, is. Now clear sentence now. B is big. Actually, it is compulsory. Compulsory, I am asking. No, no. Okay, right. Now, colon. Colon ka meaning kya hai? And then both are equal or not? Now, same thing. Can I use with star P and star Q? I think meaning very clear. In place of A and B, star P and star Q na? Yes. Now star Q and star P. Run the program, guys. Enter A comma B values. Okay. For example, 3 and 8. B is big. Right answer no? Yes. I'm giving both, guys. Pointer, normal, easy to. Understood or not? That's why I'm giving both. Now see that, guys. I'm giving like this. Okay, 10, 10. 10 and? Very clear? I think everyone very clear? It is the working style of a pointer. Okay? And now I'm giving one homework. I'm giving one homework, guys. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Right. Example is find factorial using pointer. It is your question. You have to find out factorial value using pointer technique. Okay? You have to find the factorial value using what, guys? Pointer technique only. It is your question, guys. Okay? Simple question, not a big one. Okay? All right. Next, another example also. Are you ready? Find, okay, next example. Find string length using pointer. The HR question is this. Okay? 2 questions. Find the factorial using what? And find the string length. Suppose A, B, C. In A, B, C, how many letters? That's all. Okay, no? Try it, genuine. But genuine required. No internet, no seniors books, other programs. Try it using your own brain. Understood, guys? Right. Then happy Sunday, guys. See you on Monday. Until that, take care and bye-bye.